have a 2018 GSX250R. We are going to change out the stock headlight bulb here with an LED one. Let's get started. I'm at the front of the motorcycle, and you want to reach right up here. Okay, I have the plug removed from the light bulb here. You want to use a flathead screwdriver here to pop that guy off of there. If you look right here, you see that circular rubber grommet. You're going to grab the flap at the top there, and we're going to pull that rubber grommet off. Reach over here. Now if you look right there, you can see. Now to remove that retainer clip, on the right hand side you're going to push in and then push up, and what it's going to do, it's going to remove that retainer clip there. If the clip comes out, I'll show you how to put this back in. This is the bulb I'm going to use. It has a blue halo with LEDs. We're going to go ahead and install this here and reverse the process. You'll want to get on the right side of the motorcycle and just get up in there and just put that clip right there, that left hand side, and then go up and over. It'll lock it in place. After you have the retainer clip installed, you need to install the rubber grommet. Now we're ready to plug in the light. Let's check it out. That's your low beam. Thanks for watching.